Hi.
What do we say?
I don't know. I just kind of took a little nap, and it's not even noon yet. But that's because I'm really tired.
Yeah.
Anywho,
So,
Scotty's been working like a...
off in the heat, and...
You just bumped your head a little bit. You're fine.
Yeah, not a major big deal, but
Just
still hurts.
Knock some sense back into you.
Say that again and mean it.
Knock some sense back into you.
That ain't gonna happen. So, as you can tell, I've gotten a lot done, because this has been an absolute nightmare with all the nuts and bolts and screws and hidden crevices and... Oh my god.
You've been nutting.
So I've been diligently getting this engine disassembled. So we don't have much left up on top still.
Sounds like when Scotty has a date, he's been nutting and bolting.
No, that's nutting, honey.
It's like the panda bear that had a date with a hooker and didn't pay. Eats, shoots, and leaves. Anyway. Wah, wah, wah.
So, we have this one left.
You
But I've got to do the muffler first to get to one of the other bolts.
No muff too tough?
Yeah. So I'll be back underneath again. Hopefully I don't smack my head one more time.
Don't smack your head one more time.
And then once that's done, I have the muffler off for there. I can get that seal off, get that taken care of, and then get the other exhaust system off. And I'll let Bobby show you guys everything that's underneath that's been done.
Hey, guess what?
Just get under the vehicle.
Going down.
Oh. And there's even cardboard there so you can lay on it and not get stupid dirty.
Oh, yay.
So as you can tell,
now that we made everybody sick.
right? So as you can tell, it's been disassembled.
Hi.
Hey, how are ya? As you can tell, it's been a lot to get disassembled. And if Bobby looks to the passenger side, where the seal is, there's a million screws that you can't see all of them all the time. So that's why I found out I got to take the muffler off to get to the other screws to get that seal off.
That's okay. It's rusted and rotten and nasty anyway. So the mufflers need to come off.
Mm-hmm.
All this cladding down here needs to come off.
Yep.
And boy, there's a lot of it.
Yeah, it's been rough.
It's been rough.
Woof woof.
Scotty likes it rough.
Rough. What'd the one dog say to the other? Rough.
Do you
That
like
was
it?
stupid.
Yeah, anyway.
That was like 2 pigs fell in the mud, 3 came out. But bump.
Oh my god.
So, back to reality.
Balancers.
Yeah.
Fakaked.
So, we've definitely got some work ahead of us. But we're getting there. I'm been diligent and staying on it all day.
He's been something anyway.
Yeah. I mean, it's almost time for lunch break for me soon, so I'll probably be going to lunch in a minute.
It's not even lunchtime and I already took a nap.
It's after, yeah, it's going on 12.
Jesus.
Or after 12 now.
I went and worked on 2 cars and I dozed off already?
Yep.
God.
So,
Getting
all right,
old.
well, I'm going to get back underneath this thing. Get the last bit of the other
Are we
bolts.
gonna spoon down here?
Maybe later.
Ooh.
But yeah, it's time to
Time
to get to work.
Are you, dude? If you spin that fast enough, you can be like, oons, 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 oons. Hey, look at that.
At least we know the bearings on the fan are good.
Hey, something's good.
Yeah.
All right. I'm just sitting here and I just watch it like drip more shit out of it.
Oh yeah, it drips everywhere.
This is a mess.
But it's what we get paid to do, is to fix the mess and make it pretty.
Yeah.
And
if
in the
somebody
video,
fixes
here,
this
I'm going to reach
mess-
down and grab the phone so I can show everybody.
Oh God.
So,
Hi.
wait. Hiya! So, we're also going to have to get new ductwork. I don't know if you can...
The rubber.
Yeah, that I just barely touched it, and it
That's
just
easy
it
enough,
just
so
snapped.
we can make that.
Yeah, the ductwork.
Yeah. Oh, well, they have that stuff.
Yeah, dryer vent ductwork. That
Sort of.
would probably be the same size, I would imagine.
Yeah, I have some race car shit too that would work.
Okay, well that'll work. All right, well on that note, ladies and gentlemen, you have another update. We're getting there. I promise I'm working as fast as I can. But on that note, what do we say, Bobby?
take another nap?